Ever tried picking up a hot brisket with your bare hands? Yeah, don't. Let's face it, barbecue can get a little heated. And those garden gloves and oven mitts you've been using, well, they're just not cutting it. There's gotta be a better way. The perfect sear belongs on your steak, not your fingertips. Meet the Hey Grill Hey Pitmaster gloves, the only gloves that'll make you look like a barbecue hero while keeping your hands safe from fiery mishaps and smoky disasters. Because you shouldn't need a first aid kit after every barbecue, get the Pitmaster gloves and retire the rest. With heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, a food-safe lining, and waterproof durability, the Pitmaster gloves keep your hands safe so you can focus on what really matters, creating delicious barbecue in your own backyard. You wouldn't wear flip-flops to a marathon, so why are you grilling without Pitmaster gloves? Available in sizes small, medium, large, extra large, and 2XL, the Pitmaster gloves are designed to fit every hand, ensuring you have the perfect grip every time. Grilling with the wrong gloves is like bringing vegetables to a barbecue. Just don't. Let's not forget, these gloves don't just perform, they look great doing it. Your hands called. They're tired of being treated like meat mitts. Get them some Pitmaster gloves. It's time to upgrade your barbecue game. Pre-order our Pitmaster gloves and get your hands in the only gloves you'll ever need to become the backyard barbecue hero you've always dreamed of. Style, safety, and mastery all in one glove.